Hi, again, my name is Todd and this is the Manhattan Project. And today we are doing a Manhattan made with Widow Jane Applewood Rye. It's batch number 26 and it's coming in at 93 proof. It was bottled in 2023. Let's make this. So as per the usual, a standard Manhattan is made with 2 ounces of whiskey to 1 ounce, sweet vermouth. And we use Martini Rossi exclusively. So then we put in 3 big dashes of bitters because this bottle is huge and it comes out fast. So we're going to stir this for 30 seconds. Stirring and diluting, stirring and diluting. Now we're going to strain this into our strain this into our rocks glass. I can't believe I said coupe. Move this out of the way so you fine folks can see. Gonna add a nice bada bing cherry. Clunk. And there you have it, Widow Jane Applewood Rye Manhattan. Cheers. This is a good one. You definitely get the applewood, which gives it another layer of complexity that I wasn't expecting. It's actually a little more bitter and a little more peppery than I was expecting, but it is in fact a rye. So I like this one a lot. I'm going to give this a let's say 8.5 out of 10. Cheers.